Soap.ie presents.
Hey you!
Who, me?
Is it raining where you live?
Yeah.
Do you not know what to do? Want to learn a few tips on how to have fun on a rainy day?
What? Whoa, yeah,
Well,
of course I
let's
do.
get on to the first tip.
Okay.
Number 1, dress very comfy.
It's
Kind of cold. This still isn't warm enough. Honestly, why do I still feel so cold? It's missing something. Oh, I have an idea. Much, much better. Tip 2. Find an activity that you love to do. But definitely does not work. What else should I do? Oh, I have an idea. This is boring. What else should I do? Oh, on to the next tip. Awesomest tip number 3. Go have some fun outside in the rain. So why don't you go out in the rain? It's so cool outside. I just went and I just came back. I'm not going out in the rain. I'm not going out in the rain. As you can see, Daisy was correct. I am actually out in the rain. Make sure you guys know. If you didn't know, it's pouring out here. And I'm drenched in seawater. Look, I want to go back inside. I hope you enjoyed today's video. You can use these 3 tips whenever you're in a rainy situation. That's not a pun. No, that's not a pun. I know that most of us are stuck at home, so I wish you guys all good luck. So stay happy and positive and safe, of course. Bye!
popcorn.
3, 2, 1.